Under this topic, angles in a triangle, you have to know two things. The first one, just the sum of interior angles of a triangle will be 180 degrees, and the sum of exterior angles of a triangle will be 360 degrees. You have to remember this one. How it is 180 degree? Because you have to use this formula to define it. N minus 2 times 180 degree to define just the sum of interior angles of a polygon. So triangle is a three-sided polygon, so it is interior angle will be n minus 2 times 180 degrees. If you substitute n represents the number of sides. So if you substitute 3 minus 2 times 180, it will be 180 degrees. So based on this in sum of a polygon defined by this formula, sum of interior angles of a triangle, it will be 180 degrees. For exterior angle, it will be 360 degree for any polygon. For any polygon, it will be 360 degrees. It includes just triangles, quadrilaterals, pentagons, any polygon. The external exterior angle, sum of exterior angle will be 360. So based on this, if it is x, if it is 70, if this one is 60, based on this, how you are going to find the x value? Just it is the sum x plus 70 plus 60 must be 180 degree, because these are interior angles. So x will be 180 degree minus 70 plus 60, right? So it will be 180 minus 130, and it will be 50 degrees. So based on this, you can define just the x value. You would say 50 degrees, right? So if another example is given, just like if this one is x plus 20 degrees, and this one is x plus 10, and this one is just x, how you are going to find the x value? So as we said before, it will be x plus 20 plus x plus 10 is equal to 180 degrees. So this one, it will be 3x plus 20 and 10, it will be 30, is equal to 180, and 3x is equal to 180 minus 30, 3x is equal to 150, and x will be, right, x will be 50 degrees, right? Based on this, you can define this one 50, and this one is also 50, and this is 50. If you add them, they must give you 180 degrees. 50 plus 20, 70. 50 plus 10, 60. So 70 plus 60, it will be 130. 130 plus 50, it will be 180. So based on this, you can define such types of, you can solve such types of examples, right? So the other example, just if it is given to you like this, if there is a line like this, right? If there is a line, and if this one is just 40 degrees, if this one is 40 degrees, and if this one is 80 degrees, and if this one is alpha, and if this one is 70 degrees, how you are going to find the alpha value? So what you are going to do first, you can define this one, the upper, this one, this triangle. So that means 40 plus 80 plus just this unknown value, right? Let us call it beta, plus beta must be 180 degree. So beta is just 180 degree minus 40 plus 80, it will be 120. So beta is 60 degrees, right? So this is 60 degrees. If this one is 60 degrees, now we'll go for the largest triangle. Now the new triangle will be just like this. Now the new one, it will be, this one is 70 as is shown here, this one is alpha, and this one is just 60 degree. We found 60. So this one is a new one. So alpha will be 180 degree minus 70 plus 60, right? 70 plus 60. Then it will be 180 minus, right, 130, and it will be 50 degrees. So that's our thing. Just if such type of, if a triangle like this is given, right, if a triangle, this triangle is given, and let us extend this line just like this. There is one line here, and if there is another line here, right, and if there is another line here, right, and if this degree is given just x plus 40, and if this one is x, and if this one is x plus 20, and if you are requested to find x, what you are going to do? In this case, you have to remember the second rule: sum of exterior angles will be 360 degrees, right? So based on that, you have to add them together: x, right, plus x plus 40 plus x plus 20 must be 360 degrees, right? So this one, 3x plus this one plus 60 degrees is equal to 360. 3x is equal to 360 minus 60. 3x is equal to 300, and x is equal to 300 over 3, which is 100 degrees. So this one is just 100, here also 100, and here also 100. If you add them together, they must give you 360. So this one is 100 plus 140 plus this 120, right? So their sum is just 360 degrees.